Kaamulan Festival is a vibrant cultural celebration held annually in Malaybalay City, Bukidnon, that honors the rich traditions of the province's 7 indigenous tribes. Kaamulan is a powerful celebration of identity, unity, and cultural pride, reflecting the deep-rooted heritage of Bukidnon and the heart of Mindanao. And I'm here to shoot for the feed. We kick off the day with a chill food trip at Yaka Bar. Good food, a few drinks, a laid-back music to set the vibe just right. After chilling at Yaka, while waiting for the local band and fireworks, we went around looking for dinner. There were tons of options like barbecue grills, lechon, and all sorts of tasty street food. The Kaamulan streets had so much to offer, not just food, but also souvenirs like Kaamulan t-shirts, accessories, and more. The place was packed with people, all gathering and getting ready for the highlight of the day, the fireworks show. We settled in to watch the concert while enjoying some delicious tiramisu cakes. Sweet treats to go with the good vibes and live music.
Ako kinapuskan yung drummer. The lady drummer. Give it up for Papo. The one and only. Give it up for Teddy.
After the concert, it was finally time for what we'd all been waiting for, the 15-minute fireworks display. It lit up the night sky and was definitely worth the wait. It was a great first day at Kaamulan. Tomorrow, we're gearing up for the street dance competition and a free concert featuring one of the Philippines' most popular artists. So get ready for our next episode. It's going to be an exciting one.